Hi, everybody. We're here with the grammar workbook. We're on pages 24 and 25 this week. We're talking about dictionaries. Now, the dictionary's purpose is to give the spelling, pronunciation, the part of speech, and the meaning of a word. All the words in the dictionary are in alphabetical order, A to Z, and words that start with the same letter are put in alphabetical order according to the second letter. If the second letters are the same, you look at the third letter, and so on. This is an example here. We have ball, B-A-L-L, tells you how to pronounce it, tells you it's a noun, and then the meaning. It's a round object that can be thrown, hit, or kicked. The next word is blink. Also starts with B, but if you look at the second letter, A comes before L. Same thing down here. The first letter is B, the second letter is R. So what we're going to be doing is looking on these first three. We're going to look at the three words they give us, and we're going to decide which one would come first in the dictionary. So number one, they all three start with the letter L. We're going to look then at this second letter. We have an I in the word light. We have O in the word loss, and we have A in the word late. A, O, I. Which one of those words comes first in the alphabet? Yes, we're going to choose the one that has the A. Number two, they all have E, each one. We're going to look at that second letter. We have an N, an M, and a V. Well, V, that comes very late in the alphabet. Okay, so we can just mark that one out. We know that one's not right. We are looking for M and N. Which one comes first? Look at an alphabet line if you need to. Say the alphabet if you need to. M comes before N. Here we have three words that start with F. Flag, free, and foot. So we're going to look at the second letter. We have an L, an R, and an O. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, and then R comes much later. Good job, guys. Now we're going to actually alphabetize them, okay? We have three words. All of them start with the same letter. We're going to rewrite the words in alphabetical order. So these all start with T. Track, tire, tug. Looking at our second letters, the first one in the alphabet, R-I-U. The first one is going to be tire. So I'm going to write tire. E comes first. So then which one comes next in the alphabet? R or U? R-S-T-U. So track is going to go next. And the last one is going to be tug. These three words are in alphabetical order. Looking at the next one, we have pony, play, pear. They all three start with P. Let's look at the second letter, O, L, E. Well, E comes pretty early in the alphabet. So I'm going to go ahead and write that one first. So then the question is, does L come next or does O come next? E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. And I'm going to write play. And then the last one is pony. We have two more. Shape, snap, sky. They all start with S. So looking here at the H, the N, and the K. Which one of those words, those letters, comes first, so that word has to come first. Say your alphabet. Shape is going to come first. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Last ones are G words. We have gem, gym, gem, and glass. One more time, gym, like a gym where you play, gem, like a diamond or a ruby, and glass. So we're going to look at the second letters. We have Y, E, and L. Okay, Y comes way at the end of the alphabet. That's going to be our last one. Which letter comes first, E or L? So we're going to say gem, glass, and gem. If you need to pause to catch up, go ahead and do it here. I'm going to do the second page. Moving on to page 25. 25 is focusing on one particular aspect of the dictionary. Dictionaries have two guide words at the top of the page. The first guide word is the first word on the page. The second guide word is the last word on the page. So all the words that come between those two guide words make up the rest of the words on the page that come between them alphabetically. All right. So there's large and last. So the first word on that page would be large. The last word on the page would be last. Now you can see these are all LA words. All LA. So you have to look at the second, the third, the fourth. Here we have the first three letters are the same, LAS. But here it's LASS. And here it's LAST. So you have to even look at the fourth letter sometimes. So on this page, they are giving us the guide words. And then we are going to find one word of the three that would fit on that page that comes between those two words alphabetically. So we have hunk and hut. Hunk and hut. So HU. Would horse be on that page? No, that's HO. Would head be on that page? That's HE. We're going to be looking for hurt. HU comes on that page. Here we have a new and ankle. Both of these are AN. So we have ANE and ANK. Here we have ANI. We have AM, animal, America, asleep. This one has AN. These two do not. We have vine, virus. So we're looking at VI. Vest, violin, voice. Violin has that VI, and it's going to come between those two. Clown, coal. So here we have a CL, and here we have CO. We're looking for a C word that is between CL and CO. So we have curl, crash, and club. Does U come between L and O? What about R? Here we have a CLU. That's going to be the one. All right, three more. We can do this. Kink, knife. So we have KI to KN. And here we have KN, KO, and KE. KO comes after KN. KE comes before KI. We want this KN. That word is knee. Dizzy, dodge. We are looking for a word that comes between DIZ and DO. So here we have DY. This word is dye, like when you change the color of something. This word is doctor and damp. So we have DY, DOC, and DA. Well, DY comes after. DA comes before. We're going to want that doctor. DOC comes right before DOD. The last one is may and measure. We have MAY and MEA. So we have mouse, mild, and maze. MO, that's going to come after ME. MI is going to come after ME. Here we have MAZ. Does that come after MAY? XYZ. That's the word we want right there. I know it can be difficult alphabetizing. You have to really pay attention to those letters and really keep your alphabet in your head. Thanks for working hard. You can pause it if you need to catch up, and I'll see you next time.